Zibo Chengchuan Trade Company Limited was founded in 2018 with headquarters in Shandong and had established itself as a manufacturer in 2004 of medical devices with facilities in China. We are a highly customer-centric company with focus on achieving customer satisfaction. We achieve this through highly automated production lines with strict quality management systems, ensuring sustained quality and very high production efficiency. Obtained ISO 9001, ISO 1345, CE certificate. All design and installation of the manufacture workshop are in compliance with GMP standards. We are capable of developing customized products with our fully equipped road facility and an experienced engineering team. Worldwide excellent medical devices achievements were based on the 48 road senior engineers leading variety teams. Our products are widely distributed through our network of business partners in Asia, Middle East, North America, Latin America, Africa and Europe, covering disposable medical consumables and laboratory instrument manufacturing and other segments. Joyme believes in the strength of human capital and invests in training and development of its employees and encourages participation in community activities. Joyme is proud to have a diverse team of qualified professionals with rich experience in medical devices business. Our team has gained significant application knowledge partnering with customers globally, and this knowledge is institutionalized and further enhanced through information sharing and internal discussions. We provide prompt pre-sales and post-sale support to our partners in their respective markets. Our team is in constant pursuit to enhance customer experience through close interactions and support.